Good morning, guys. Currently, the time right now is 7:10 in the morning. We will be doing a manual control flight of my DJI Neo using my mobile phone. Let's see how it performs. By the way, I'm still here in Denmark Hill Conservation Reserve Park in the city of Ipswich, Queensland, Australia. This is actually the second part of my video regarding my DJI Neo. Just got fresh battery swap for this drone, so we are really good to go. Such a beautiful park. It is known for its scenic beauty and rich history. Covering approximately 11 hectares, the park features well-maintained walking trails, lookout points, and lush greenery, making it a popular destination for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the Ipswich area from several elevated vantage points, including the Water Tower lookout. The reserve also has a strong geological and historical significance, as it was once a prominent mining area. Today it houses remnants of Ipswich's coal mining past, with interpretative signs along the paths providing insights into its industrial heritage. Wildlife is abundant in the park, including native bird species and occasionally koalas. Denmark Hill is a peaceful retreat for those seeking a blend of nature, history, and outdoor recreation, offering a family-friendly atmosphere with picnic spots and educational trails. These birds are playful, or maybe they are just being territorial. They are trying to swoop down the drone. After asking ChatGPT mobile app a question regarding birds or magpies' reaction against flying drones, it stated, yes, magpies are known to be highly protective of their nests, especially during breeding season. They have been observed swooping or diving at drones if they perceive them as a threat to their territory, much like they do with humans or other animals. If a drone flies near their nesting area, the magpies might attack it in an attempt to defend their young. This behavior can occur particularly in the spring, when magpies are more aggressive in protecting their nests. Whoopsie! These birds are strong and determined. Time to go down before they will shoot down indefinitely my DJI Neo, which only weighs 135 grams. I'm having difficulty in getting a familiar landmark below. It's different when using mobile phone as manual controller compared to DJI RCN3, DJI RC Motion 3, or DJI Remote Controller 3, which shows the home point and with return to home feature. It's a big risk if I straight away land this baby, and it may end getting snagged onto these tree branches. These birds still swooping down on my Neo. Time to land ASAP. But from the ground, such drone is too small and not clearly visible. I'm relying from its sound and from the mobile phone screen. There's a familiar landmark, the pathway and the colorful playground. I'm going to get closer so that I will have a better view of the drone as it maneuvers itself from the tree branches. My outfit of the day blends well with the colorful posts and pillars standing at the playground. Initially, I couldn't find myself when watching the camera, which Neo is transmitting to my mobile phone's DJI Fly app monitor. It seems like I am part of the current environment. There I am. I'm standing in front of those colorful pillars, or shall we say poles. I'm just gonna do some maneuvering. Let me turn this baby around. Perfect. The bridge is there. I'm just going to do a slow cinematic shot of the bridge, then slowly going to where I am located. Apparently, DJI Neo has a maximum transmission range of 12 kilometers when using the DJI RC2 or RCN2 remote controller paired with the DJI Fly app. However, if we're using just our mobile phone as the controller via the DJI Fly app's Wi-Fi connection, the range is significantly less, around 100-200 meters, 328-656 feet, depending on interference, obstacles, and the Wi-Fi environment. If you're looking for longer range flights, it's recommended to use a dedicated controller rather than just the mobile phone. Okay, time for Neo to return to where I am at the moment. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I would really appreciate it. Also, please click on the like button, and it will be great if you can leave some comments. Thank you.